Researchers have they shrink a camera to the size of a salt grain. Wow. Good thing the graphic is there, because
I mean, this is thumbnail worthy.
I was trying to imagine, you know, what that meant, like a camera, but salt grain size.
Yeah.
And the finger there.
Yes.
If you're looking at this picture, it gives you a much better idea of just how small we're talking. Micro-sized cameras have great potential to spot problems in the human body. And enables sensing for super small robots. But past approaches captured fuzzy, distorted images with limited fields of view. Now researchers at Princeton University and the University of Washington have overcome these obstacles with an ultra-compact camera the size of a coarse grain of salt. The new system can produce crisp, full-color images on par with a conventional compound camera lens, 500,000 times larger in volume. The researchers reported in a paper published November 29th in Nature Communications. So it goes in your body, and they're just grooving, moving.
Yes.
And they say, hey, Willie Doo, you got a problem. We just captured it on our salt grain camera.
Yeah, you've got some nanobacteria in there.
Wow.
Yeah, this...
what is it, connected to a wire, or does it transmit wirelessly? What's going on, Will?
So, based on this scientific article here, it's the lens. They're trying to reconfigure the lens to actually work with the light. Apparently, light is a big problem, like just kind of refracting into it. So if they can create a lens that can not distort using algorithm as well, then they can become like a better image. So this is like the old lens that they had where it looks really fuzzy and the color's distorted. And then this is using nano optics.
Let's go.
That would allow them to kind of just see the clearer image.
Science, let's go. Unbelievable.
Yeah. It's very complicated, but I don't know, the thumbnail got me. The thumbnail is just like, well, if they can do that just using, you know, for health or something, it could be used in all types of use cases, right? Especially phones as well. Imagine not even seeing that camera hump, like this on here. Imagine it's just like...
That's slightly bigger than a grain of salt. Slightly bigger than a grain of salt.
Yeah, exactly. So I just thought it was kind of impressive that they're slowly moving towards smaller and smaller lenses and the technology. So
yeah, sorry, I'm just reading it. Yeah, it's very, very cool, man. Very cool.